Hello, my name is Alpesh Doshi and I'm a consultant embryologist.
Thank you, Alpesh. Welcome again to Nigeria. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm here in the lovely city of Lagos in Nigeria to actually try and train local embryologists.
I'm an embryologist, Fissionist Fertility Center.
Of course, we're going to be spending a lot of time doing hands-on as well to learn cutting-edge technology in embryology, such as embryo biopsy.
To become an authority in a field, you are the one to make yourself. This is an opportunity, you have to maximize it.
AFRH has a good plan for the development of fertility medicine and treatment in Nigeria. This is going to be one in many to come.
Now we know from research that the embryo, once it starts dividing, is a playground of chromosomal errors, which are not necessarily meiotic. What we do is we collect the eggs, we fertilize the eggs, we create embryos from these eggs, and then we develop these embryos for around 5 to 6 days in a very specialized environment in the laboratory. During this journey of 5 to 6 days, the embryologists are continuously observing the embryos to try and assess their developmental potential. We have tried to go one step further. Apart from just looking the beauty of the embryos and how they look, embryologists are now learning how to sample or take a biopsy from the embryos so that they can undergo some further genetic tests. Now, the purpose in doing this is to try and identify certain genetic diseases or disorders that can be picked up right from the time of the embryo, rather than actually implanting these embryos back without knowing their genetic status.
We actually had a workshop started yesterday, and it had to do with embryo biopsy. It's been an amazing experience because this is something I've always had interest in learning.
This method is called extrusion. The first method was called aspiration.
So it's been awesome. We had our hands-on, and it had to do with, basically has to do with how to get your biopsy from a blast, and then also how to get cells from the D3 embryo. So we had our hands-on, and it was a beautiful experience because we were able to get our cells, freeze them, thaw them, and then tomorrow we are going to be dealing with vitrification of eggs.
It was a rewarding experience. I learned a whole lot about the challenges you could encounter and how you could, troubleshoot. Alpesh is an authority, so he was able to teach us the different ways to biopsy. This is like the best thing I've heard, since I came in here.
It's been something that I've been looking forward to, and when I browse or see it, it's usually done in the UK. So to have it in Nigeria here was really a welcome idea.
And it's been an extremely amazing 3 days experience where I've had the privilege to work with some great scientists in the profession.
I want to appreciate the AFRH training committee. I also want to appreciate the embryologists, special thanks to their president and the facilitators, the sponsors, and the entire staff of King's Specialist Hospital. And also I want to appreciate my wife. And for every other person that made this program a success, I say may the Lord bless you all.
And thank you so much.